It's giving. Okay.
Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. It's Chris once again bringing you guys some behind the scenes footage using off-camera flash at this photo shoot. We're here in Dallas, Texas. It's about 100 degrees outside, so we thought we'd do some swim photos here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that bell icon so YouTube knows to show you more content like this. So for this video, I'm going to be shooting with the Canon R5 and the Godox system. So I'm using the Godox 8400 from off-camera flash along with a 16-inch beauty dish. And so interesting thing for this shoot, I'm going to try to keep the camera rolling as continuously as possible so you guys can get a better idea of what it's like to actually go through an entire photo shoot like this. A very interesting thing to note here is that a few years ago I was shooting with this photographer and he made a very interesting point. He said whenever you get home you can throw your photos on the computer. You should look at the last ones first, right? Start at the end and go backwards because typically it takes you a while and sometimes your subject to really get warmed up to the shoot, to start really creating some fire. And so I feel like this is true for most of my shoots, whereas at the beginning I'm like, you get some good shots here and there, but at the end it's just like banger, banger, banger. And you'll really start to see, especially with this shoot, towards the end of the shoot I started really warming up, and some of my favorite photos you'll see towards the end of the shoot.
Now look to, yeah, good. Look to your left. Bring that left hand down to your collarbone. There you go. I love this. Stay right there, don't move.
So right here, I was thinking there's two things I wanted to do, right? I needed the light to be a little bit more in front of her than on the side. And then I also wanted to change this lens out from the 28 to 70 to the 70 to 200 because I felt like I could get so much, I needed more compression here. And I wanted to be able to have a tighter frame with kind of the scenery and with the subject. And so I want to back up a little bit and zoom in and see if I could get a better photo. And this is what we got.
Good. That's fantastic. I'm trying to get one. Let's turn this down, actually. Look to the right, hard right. That's fantastic.
So something that's very interesting here is that my idea for this shoot was completely, let's have water in the background, let's have around the tree, you got nature, swim, it all goes together. But something I wanted to do was change my perspective a little bit and shoot the other direction and just see what it looked like to see if I could get some better photos. And I actually really ended up liking how these turned out.
Good, yep. There you go, look right at me. Oh, wow, these are fantastic. There you go, hold it, go back, hold it. All right, bring that right hand to your thigh. Yes, like that, go back to it. That is good. Give me your eyes this way, Yo, I'm very happy with these.
So after this part of the shoot, we decided to make our way across the beach to kind of this greenish area that had this really dope sloped cove that we could kind of sit in. It was great because it had a little bit of shade inside, and so it should make the light pretty effective here. And so yeah, we said let's try it, let's give it a shot and see what happens.
Let me see, what time? Let me see. Oh, that's cute. I love dogs. No, I love dogs. Boom. There it is. These are fantastic. There you go. Good. Let me get some head up. That's it. This is it. These are fantastic. Let's go. Good. Eyes this way, right at me. That's it. Can you turn your feet this way, and then I want you to like lay back this way? Right there. There it is. That's it. That's it. That's perfect. Open your eyes up. Yep. Fantastic. Good. I think we're good. Give me some.
Ooh.
Give me some. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the photos. Again, go and follow Portia on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Portia_H. It'll be right here.
Go and follow her on Instagram. Also subscribe and ring the bell icon if you like the video. That way YouTube knows to show you more content like this. I'll see y'all in the next video.